till now we have covered the divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, so we are left with divisibility by 9 and 11. Okay, so for the sake of some space that we need to do the calculations for divisibility by 9 and 11, what we will do, we will erase some of these parts, okay, so that we can have some space on our board so that we can solve the examples easily. Okay, so what you all can do is, you for now, as we have already discussed all these parts, you can note this down. Okay, so that we can continue with 9 and 11. Okay, now we have removed all the parts that we have already covered. Now we are left with divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 11. Okay, so let's start with divisibility by 9. So what divisibility by 9 says, in order to find whether a number is divisible by 9, what we will do, we will sum all the digits of that number, and the number that we got as a sum, if that sum is divisible by 9, then the whole number will be divisible by 9. Okay, so let's start with the examples. Okay, so first number is 128. Okay, what we will do, we will do 1 plus 2 plus 8. Okay, so it will be 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 is what, 11. Okay, now tell me whether 11 is divisible by 9. No, because 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. Okay, so if this number is not divisible by 9, okay, therefore this whole number is also not divisible by 9. Okay, next 990. So we will do 9 plus 9 plus 0. So it will be 18. Now tell me whether 18 is divisible by 9 or not. Yes, 9 twos are 18. Okay, so as 18 is divisible by 9, therefore this whole number is also divisible by 9. Next is 1586. So we will do 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. What it will be? 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8 is what? 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. Okay. Now tell me if 20 is divisible by 9. No. Right? Therefore this whole number is not divisible by 9. Okay. Next 275. 2 plus 7 plus 5. 2 plus 7 is what? 9. 9 plus 5. 14. 14 is also not divisible by 9. Therefore, this is not divisible by 9. Okay. Next, 6686. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. So, 26 is divisible by 9. 9 threes are 27. So, not 26, right? Therefore, this whole number is not divisible by 9. Okay. Next, 6,39,210. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. And 1, 21. Now, tell me if 21 is divisible by 9. No. Right? 9 twos are 18 and 9 threes are 27. So, if this is not divisible by 9, then this whole number is also not divisible by 9. Next, 4,29,714. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 7, 15 plus 7, 22. Right? 22 and 1, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. Okay. 9 threes are 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. Therefore, this whole number is divisible by 9. Next, 2856. 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Now, tell me, is 21 divisible by 9? No. Therefore, this whole number is also no. Right? Next, 3060. 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0. So, what it will be? 9. Is 9 divisible by 9? Of course. So, if this is divisible by 9, then this whole number is also divisible by 9. Right? Now, coming to the last one. 4,06,839. 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 and 3, 21 plus 9, 30. Okay. Is 30 divisible by 9? No. Right? 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. If 30 is not divisible by 9, then this whole number is also not divisible by 9. So after this, we are left with just one, that is divisibility by 11. Okay. So let's start with the divisibility by 11. So the first number is 128. Okay. So the number is 128. So as per the divisibility test, first we will sum all the numbers at odd places. Okay. So these are 1 and 8. We will do 1 plus 8. It will be 9. Now we will sum all the remaining numbers, which is 2 in this case. Okay. So it will be 2 only. So the sum is 2. Okay. Now what we will do from both these sum, okay, we will subtract the lower number from the greater number. So it will be 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. Now tell me, if this final number that we have got, is this divisible by 11? No. Okay. So if this number is not divisible by 11, then this whole number is not divisible by 11. Okay. So let's move to the next example. 990. 990. Okay. So first we will add the numbers at odd places. First place and third place, right? So it will be 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0. It will be 9. Okay. So after that, all the remaining ones. So the remaining is only 9 in our case. So it will be 9. Okay. So we have these two numbers. So we will subtract one number from the other. It will be 9 minus 9 equals to 0. So as we can see, the subtract of these is 0. Okay. The final number that we have got is 0. So as per the divisibility test, if the final number that we get either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. Okay. So as we have got 0 here, therefore this whole number is divisible by 11. Okay. Let's quickly move to the third part. 1586. 1586. So again, first step, let's add all the numbers at odd places, first place and third place, right? So it will be 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. Okay. Now add all the digits at the remaining places. Those are remaining. It will be 1 and 8. 1 plus 8. Okay. So 6 plus 5 plus 6 is what? 11. And 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So let's subtract them. 11 minus 9 will be 2. Now tell me if 2 is divisible by 11. No. Okay. So if 2 is not divisible by 11, then this whole number is also not divisible by 11. 1586 is not divisible by 11. Okay. Next, 275. The number is 275. Again, let's add all the digits at odd places. It will be 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. It will be 7. Now add all the remaining digits. Remaining is only 7. So the remaining is 7 only. Okay. Now subtract these. When we subtract these, we get 7 minus 7 equals to 0. So the final number that we got is 0. Therefore, this 275 is divisible by 11. Okay. Now let me erase this. Next example is 6686. 6686. So first we will sum all the digits at odd places. So it will be 6 plus 6, which is 12. Okay. Now we will add all the remaining digits. It will be 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. It is 14. Okay. Now let's subtract them. It will be 14 minus 12, which is 2. Is 2 divisible by 11? No. Therefore, this whole number is also not divisible by 11. Okay. So next part is 6,39,210. 6,39,210. Okay. So first of all, let's add all the digits at odd places. First place, third place, fifth place. Okay. So it will be 3 plus 2 plus 0. 3 plus 2 plus 0. It will be 5. Okay. Now all the remaining 6 plus 9 plus 1. 6 plus 9 plus 1. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 1, 16. Let's subtract these. So it will be 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 is what? 11. Now 11 is divisible by 11, right? Okay. So if this is divisible by 11, therefore this whole number is also divisible by 11. Okay. Move to next. 4,29,714. 4,29,714. Okay. Again, let's add the digits at odd places. 2 plus 7 plus 4. 2 plus 7 plus 4. What it will be? 9. 9 plus 4. 13. Now add the remaining digits. 4 plus 9 plus 1. 4 plus 9 plus 1. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 1, 14. Now subtract them. 14 minus 1 is what? 14 minus 13 is what? 1. 1 is not divisible by 11. Therefore, this whole number is not divisible by 11. So, did you see such big figures like 6,39,210 or 4,29,714? Instead of doing the big division, we just did it like the divisibility test and we easily found out whether the number is divisible by 11 or not, right? So this is the benefit of using the divisibility test, right? Okay, so let's quickly move to the other example. 2856. 2856. So the numbers at odd places is 6 and 8. Okay, so 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 15, right? So the remaining are 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5 will be 7. Okay. Now subtract these. 15 minus 7 is what? 8. 8 is not divisible by 11. Therefore this number is not divisible by 11. Now quickly cover the last two examples. The second last is 3060. 3060. Okay. So add the digits at odd places. It will be 0 plus 0 is 0. So the remaining digits is 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 will be 9, right? So we will do 9 minus 0, which is 9. So is 9 divisible by 11? No. Therefore this number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Last part. 4,06,839. 4,06,839. Okay. Now let's add the digits at odd places. First place, third place, fifth place. Okay. So it will be 0 plus 8 plus 9. 0 plus 8 plus 9. Okay. So it will be 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 9, 17. Right. So now add the remaining digits. 4 plus 6 plus 3. 4 plus 6 plus 3. It will be 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, right? Now subtract them. 17 minus 13, which is 4. Now tell me whether 4 is divisible by 11. Again, no. Therefore, this whole number is not divisible by 11. So now we have completed the question number 1 for exercise number 3.3. We will cover the other questions of this exercise in the coming videos.